A while ago, some of you may remember that I started an experiment with radish, and the experiment was to demonstrate the effectiveness of vermicompost, which is worm poop, mixed with compost, which was essentially quite a very rich NPK organic compost. It's actually quite clean. It's done us well, but the interesting thing is, I'm going to show you. This was the soil. I say soil, it's dirt. This is what's come out of the garden. Okay, all I have is a couple of blades of what looks like grass and 2080 mix of vermicompost and compost. You can clearly see that the radish is doing well. There's also other growth in here, which are potentially weeds, maybe. But it seems to be doing quite well, and it seems to be attacked less by the slugs that we often find their way into the greenhouse. Now this one is just the standard compost, which, as I said, is good compost, but if you look carefully at the size of the leaves and look at the colour of the leaves, especially on the 2080 mix, and you look at the colour on here, these are a bit faded. The green isn't as vigor, and they clearly being eaten by pests, which is interesting because vermicompost is well known for deterring pests. So far, I'm going to carry on with this little experiment for a while longer, but so far I'd say the vermicompost to me is looking more favourable, and it is proving to be more beneficial, but it's still early days. And as you notice as well, there's hardly any mould growing in there. Lots of mould in there, quite a bit of mould in there as well. It looks quite gunky. So really interesting results, actually. Just goes to show that worm poop mixed with a bit of compost, I think, I'm not saying that the results are outstanding at this stage, but I would definitely say that it is certainly better. There you go, I'll update you again.